We got sovereigns, pensions, etc. incoming. Also, this from Vivek. Somebody 16 hours ago bought 1,200 Bitcoin in a straight transaction. Again, 1,200 is like, compared to some of the other buys, it's not big, but it is also a huge dip buyer. So now we got 3 big dip buyers, but more. Breaking news as well out of Europe. The second largest European bank, BNP Paribas, just bought the Blackrock Bitcoin ETF shares as well. And this is in their financial filing. So this is a very, very big bank. And everybody is looking for exposure. Granted, their position was not large, but what they're all doing now is they're putting their toe in the water to see what the temperature's like. Then they'll go big bang afterwards. And there simply will not be enough Bitcoin to go around. We'll see. Now, there are some bad things happening.